Okay, we're back. We're making fun of Honda right now. Okay, what was that Honda jokes you were pulling over there?
Oh, you meet the nicest people on a Honda.
Okay, these two spark plugs need to go back in the plug wire so you can turn the bike over without causing electrical issues. Did you hear that?
Yes.
So those go in there and they go against the ground.
Yes.
So that way the bike can turn over and you don't short out the coil or plug wires or cause cross arcing.
Yep.
And the other value is actually go arc, arc, arc.
See if your sparks are good.
You're probably going to hear it. If it lays on the side of one like that, you might actually hear it better. Alright, so the petcock is off right now?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so what we want to do is we'll make sure it's not in gear.
It's not.
How do you know?
Because the wheel.
Because the wheel rotates. There you go. See, he's nuts. He's smart. He's factory trained, I think. Okay, what else are we looking for? Is there any oil at all in the gas in the oil tank?
Not that we can see yet.
Where'd the light go to?
Here.
Look at the tank.
There's a little bit.
Okay, there's a little bit of oil in the oil tank.
It's like
right
half full.
now. Half full of what?
That's half full.
Half full of oil.
Oh, there is oil in there now.
That's like,
I thought you said it was empty.
I don't know. I think
Well,
it's like a quarter full.
In terms of the dipstick, it does not.
We don't care about the dipstick. There's actually oil in the vehicle then.
There is.
Oh, okay.
So the rest of it's probably down in the.
See, I was going to pump the thing around until we actually had oil in the tank before we try to start it.
I would say it's maybe a little more than a quarter and a little less than
Okay,
half.
so where's the idiot light for the oil pressure?
Here, I guess.
Up in the instrument cluster department.
Yeah.
Okay, now if you turn this light off, you'll see it better. Okay. Did you wipe the dirt off the instruments?
No, I'm not used to having instruments.
How about the mirror?
I don't have those either.
Okay, good.
I have one.
That one's really clean. This one's dirty.
That one was in the box.
That's why it was so clean. Okay. Did you adjust the mirror so you can see out of it?
Yes, I
Oh,
did.
you're pretty smart. Okay, why don't you turn the ignition on over there? Well, then they got the headlights on now. Turn the headlight off. Actually, turn the headlight on again. Check your high-low. Oh, it's got two lights. All the directions are on.
Yeah.
Turn signal's working.
Mine just has a
Why is this one on?
I turned both of them. This one,
Why is this one still on?
this one.
Oh, these must be running lights.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got turn signals in the back. We got running lights in the front. Oh, ain't that butt ugly?
Right?
Why would you have lights on in the front? That's stupid. If you're gonna have running lights, it'd be in the back.
Well, the back ones don't stay lit. That's dumb.
No, they're not on. Front ones are.
Maybe there's just a wiring problem.
Or maybe it's how they like it. I don't know how Sportsters are done.
I don't either.
You'd think if the front ones are on, the back ones would be on too. I would make those not function on the running light because they look like crap that way.
Just cut the turn signals off.
Okay, turn the headlight off. See, somebody modified that switch down there
This one?
so that you have ignition on when
But
the
no
light
lights.
when the light is off.
So you can run from the
I don't
cars.
know who would do something like that around here. Okay, hit the button for about 10 seconds. Let's see what happens.
Do I have to hit run first?
Maybe.
Okay. Start
You could try it though without.
for 10 seconds.
Try it without, see if it works.
That won't
No,
work.
it doesn't work.
Okay, so hit start.
Yeah, hit start.
Nothing happens.
That's not a good sign.
Maybe it will happen if we turn the...
Turn the switch on now and see the... Maybe it's not me. Yep. That's why we gotta have that on. Okay. Okay, the oil light. Where's the oil light?
It's off.
The one that's off already.
Yeah. So I guess we have oil pressure.
I don't know. The light's not on. I got air in my face over here though.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the oil pressure light?
It's not on, but we can see if the oil's returning.
See, the longer it takes for the oil pressure to come on, the better the oil pressure is. The better the motor is. If it instantly comes back on, you get a bad motor.
Will we see the oil coming in just by turning the engine over like
Yes, you will. And I'll see the spark. Again. Get the light out of my face so I can see.
Light came on.
Okay, turn. I'm looking at spark over here. What are you doing? Hold the button on. We got our misfiring condition on that plug because this one doesn't want to spark all the time. Of course,
You
it's
can
on-
hold it and see.
No, that's your job to do, not mine. I can't make it work. Okay, try it again.
I see it.
Okay, the front was really good, so there you go. Okay, have we got oil pressure yet?
It's not on.
It came on for a second, but
I
now
can't
it's
see
not
the
yet.
oil returning, but I wasn't.
Okay, turn the ignition off. Is it getting higher?
Yes. A little bit.
That's a good sign. It's not coming out the engine breather.
There's bubbles in it.
Is it coming out the engine breather yet?
Uh,
That'd be this thing.
no.
That's a good sign.
There's bubbles.
That's probably because there's air in the system.
And that means it's getting churned up, right?
That means it's coming out of the air system, yes.
Okay, that's good, right?
Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn the Petcock on. Ooh, that works so nice and freely. So which one is this one? That's on. So we're on reserve right now. How much gas is in it?
I think it's full.
Good. We're going to leave it on reserve. That way you get, in case the Petcock's plugged.
Hmm.
Okay, turn that ignition back on. Let's see if the light comes on up here. Okay, we have no other lights come on. So where's all our idiot lights at? Did the oil light ever come on before?
It did come on, I saw it.
Did we break it?
It came on when we stopped cranking, and then when we started cranking, it turned off again.
Maybe we broke it. I'm pretty sure the motor's not running right now. There should not be any oil pressure.
Mm-mm.
Unless it's really got some good oil pressure. That's been like 2 minutes now. Yeah, I don't like that part, but okay. Crank it through some more. Got a breeze blowing through here. Smells like a stinky engine.
Yeah.
Keep going. Oil coming back.
It looks like it's a little higher,
Good.
but not much at all.
Not much at all.
No.
Keep playing with that and we'll go find us some new spark plugs.
But there's more bubbles.
Bubbles are good.
Yeah.
Tell me when.
Go.
Just, oh, that was the turn signal.
Yeah, that's good. The oil's coming. Keep doing that. Yeah, keep going. Just hold it for like 5 seconds at a time. Alright. Okay. We're almost halfway up now.
Yeah, quite a bit. I can see it.
Yeah. Okay, go again. Spark.
Oh, he's quick.
Go again.
Alright, should be good.
Yeah, we got a little bit, like halfway now.
Okay, these plugs are a little bit on the cold side because I don't have any 6s.
Should we turn the Iggy off?
So these are 7s. He's going to probably run the piss out of this thing anyway. Yeah, it looks like it's gapped at about 32, which is a little low. 35, 36, there's 37, that's close enough.
Not quite.
Okay, so we're putting NGKs in there.
That'd be my new name.
Okay. I didn't bring any anti-seize with me, so you want anti-seize on these? You gotta go up front and get the bottle of it.
I've never used anti-seize on plugs before. That's because I always have them out like every other day.
Okay, there's a correct socket. So go ahead and tighten those up. So there's a heat reader we're going to use, which is not the, I think you should have like a 6 in here, not a 7, but I don't know. I have these, I don't have 6s, so we're going to go with these. Scooby's coming to help.
Back to supercars again.
Scooby's down here helping. Yeah, see, Scooby's going to help. What are you doing, Scooby? Are you going to help? Are you going to help? Scooby's going to help. So he knows the bike getting ready to fire off. He's going to come out here and help. Make sure we're doing it right. Don't do it wrong.
What's the gap on these things supposed to be at?
35.
Harley uses 38 to 42. I like around 37, 38. 35 is a good number for almost every plug if you don't know what to use. You doing, Scooby? Good boy.
Some long plugs.
Yep, 3/4 reach. That's how they work. Keep them nice and loose, huh?
So we can get them out again.
It'll probably be loose when you start up the bike. But it's all right.
I'll go one more.
That's all right. Don't worry about it. We'll be back in there again.
I never tighten my plugs that much.
As long as they're tight when it's hot, that's all that matters. Okay, any oil leaks in the, put your hand at the bottom primary down there. Any oil leaks under there anywhere?
No.
Okay, I guess you got the O-ring in there correctly, otherwise it's been leaking already.
That's good.
Yeah, that's a good sign.
Is this supposed to have a cover?
Nope.
So you're supposed to know that it's poisonous.
Well, you can take that label off if you want.
It's known by the state of California to cause cancer.
They do have make covers you can put on
Right
there
by
too.
your dick.
Yeah, you can put a cover on there if you want. They have covers. You might have to bend the strap slightly to make them fit.
Yeah, I don't care.
On the older bikes, they had covers on everything, but the new bikes, they're cheap. They don't put anything
Yep.
on.
Those covers are a pain anyways.
Yeah, this is one in the box over there. What else you got in the box? So you got a rack over there. What else you got?
We got this.
We don't need that. That goes in the sissy bar you're not using.
Spam can.
We don't need that just yet. See, we got all kinds of crap. See, we got the sissy bar over
I
here.
don't really want to use these, wherever they are.
Here's a dual seat that he doesn't want to
I don't know what
use.
they are, but I don't want them.
What was that? What don't you want?
These chrome things.
Those are for the windshield that you didn't want to put on yet.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's why I didn't want them.
Yeah, we have a windshield. You want a rack? You need a rack.
Yeah, maybe. I'll take that.
You can take that.
But not for everyday riding. Just if I'm going somewhere.
Okay, does it go on this way or the other way?
I think it goes that way.
I would think it goes this way, but it doesn't seem to fit that way, so I guess it goes this way.
Oh, yeah, it seems to fit that way.
You got these stupid lever things. You're supposed to do something.
See, your girlfriend sits on this.
That's right, if she wants to ride. Okay, how do you make that go down?
Probably got to loosen these bolts.
Nope, it's quick disconnect. You should just be able to push it right down and
Take
go
the
on.
pad from the sissy bar and tape it on there.
Yeah, maybe we put it on backwards. No, I think your lip goes in the back. It's in there correctly, just doesn't want to go down. What are we hitting on?
This guy. I'm not sure how it's supposed to be worked.
Me either.
Who uses these things?
It's supposed to go down and catch on something.
Maybe you need a hammer.
Okay, well, it's got a wide block. Oh, there's a button. See the button? So how do you make the button work? I guess you gotta just push on it
Just
harder.
push it, I guess.
You just gotta push on the damn thing. We're nowhere near that, are we? Yeah, we're right on top of it. No, we're on top of the other part. No, it doesn't fit.
They lied.
See, right now we're hitting on the washer instead of on the inside of where you're supposed to. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not really going down there.
I'm sure we'll get some good comments about how we don't know how to do a damn thing. We're dumbasses, but
Yeah.
we already knew that.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know. There's something not quite right. To me, they're not wide enough. So you would think it'd go inside of that, and see we're off by 1/8 of an inch. So if I had to guess, I would say if you drop kicked this thing and crushed it in a little bit, you're probably gonna find this thing's bent or something. Oh yeah, see how this one here is bent out?
Yeah.
So if you bend this side back in like it's supposed to be, it'll probably fit. See how this side over here looks pretty straight? This one's bent. So we're gonna have to modify that with
All right.
a precision device.
We're gonna do that right now.
Is that gonna be a hammer or a press? We'll just drop kick it a couple times, do the same thing. Okay, you think there's any gas in it yet?
I heard it gurgling yesterday.
All right. Well, let's check the gas, see what you got in there.
Oh yeah, we got almost a full tank.
Full tank. How new is it?
Pretty dirty.
How new is it?
I don't know.
Smell it.
It smells okay.
Okay. Well, we know it's at least a year old. Because I didn't put gas in it when I got it. I think he said he had new gas in it when he put it in, when he sold it to me. So it's probably about a year and a quarter old. It should still be good. All right. Where's your choke?
Right here. Don't work.
If you pull it out and leave it out with a hand on it, it will be out. There you go.
Stupid plastic threads.
Step back far enough, you can see something. I got room to jump out of the way because
Jesus.
fireball
Oh.
blows up in my face.
Yeah.
Can you get the choke on?
Yeah.
All the way? Sure.
Yeah, it's on.
Go and start.
I almost wanted to start, yeah.
Choke still on?
Yep.
Put the gasket back in the carburetor. Getting some gas. Sure the choke's on?
It's all the way on.
Pushing it out a couple times. Alright, hold it out. Got it? That'd be the petcock too.
Look at the on.
And reserve is on.
Probably that vacuum hose.
I don't know if it's got a hole in it, it won't work. I told you, if there's anything wrong with it, it won't work. It's trying to start, but it's got nothing going on. Where's the flashlight? Oh,
I'm getting gas.
sorry, phone's starting to work. There's gas in it. Scooby. You ready? Okay, what's on? Choke is working.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little on the lean side.
It is.
Scooby didn't like that noise. He left.
Maybe that's why the float was so highly adjusted before.
Yeah, it's definitely lean. Way lean.
Mm-hmm.
And having an open carburetor is not helping the situation. So let's go ahead and put the carburetor. Scooby's back. Let's put the crappy air filter back on there.
The paper, brand new paper filter.
This is a high flow OE replacement style filter.
Top quality.
Dry type element. Do not oil.
Disposable.
Made in USA.
Made to be disposed of.
Okay, so where's our screws at to hold this on?
In the box. They are
Scooby.
here.
Scooby's come back to help. Alright, back in a minute.